Hi guys, and welcome back to askNK. In today's video we'll be looking at how you can render VDB in Keyshot 8.0. How we're going to do that is go over to the edit, add geometry, and we're going to just drop down a cube. Now we'll go over to the material editor by simply double clicking, go to the material tab and select scattering medium. Next we'll come over to here where we have the texture. Let me go ahead and turn on the multi-scatter and just turn this all the way down and maybe this a little bit down for the density. And we can come over here, and instead of switching to this part and selecting the textures that you want, we can just simply delete these textures, click here and find the VDB object that we want to scatter. So for this I'm going to go over to where I have my VDB saved out, and I'm just going to pick one of them out. And once you get it selected, automatically you see it here in your scene. So how you can play around with this is you can go ahead and play with the scale. You can turn this all the way down or you can turn it up. This is playing with the scale. You can also come around and play with the transparency distance, which we can drop all the way down or we can punch all the way up, and it begins to become way more transparent. We can also play with the density, which the more you push it downwards, the VDB becomes less and less dense. Also you can play with the samples depending on how much sampling you want, and this is basically how you go around with it. Other things you may want to see is the transmission color. So if I come here and choose a color like this, you begin to see that our object begins to change to the color which we are selecting. This will be quite handy for people coming from either Cinema 4D or Houdini or any traditional 3D app of your choice that simply spits out VDB, but you don't want to spend time trying to render those things there. Keyshot 8.0 now has the support that you can bring all of your VDBs here and render them, and at any point you want to switch this, you can just simply come back here, turn this off, delete this, and click one more time, select another VDB of your choice or something you've recorded before, and then re-render. So if you have questions about this, please put them in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. And if you've not subscribed on this channel, please subscribe to this channel and also turn on notifications so that you get updates next time we upload a new video. And so far so good guys, peace.